Alright. You all see me? Alright, great. Let's make this dark in here. Alright. So, how's it gonna? How's the light over there? Uh-huh. Do I want to put my head here? Do I want to adjust right here? So? Yeah. Okay. So, what I want to let you know is some things that are going on in the world today. Because the way you think of it, you might say everything is mad, everything is good, or everything is sane, or everything is evil. Don't worry, it's a riddle. You're supposed to figure it out. If you experience the type of words and you come across it and you compare it with certain things of meaning that happens to you in your life, you'll be saved or be given opportunity. Yes, thinking about that. That's some of the details for now. There is much for you to learn. I should talk and you should listen. Could fate have brought you here to me? Has it not? Anyway, I give you a glimpse of the secret.